This is my life. My life, my life. Late night talks, long, long walks. Coffee cups, never giving up. Oh my gosh, I kinda love this life.